silencing strategies. Gene silencing is a term used to describe the regulation of gene expression, and it refers to the ability of cells to prevent the expression of a certain gene. Gene silencing can occur during transcription or translation. When genes are silenced, their expression is reduced. Various methods are being used to produce therapeutics to combat cancer and diseases such as infectious diseases and neurodegenerative disorders. There are different types of gene silencing. First type of gene silencing is transcriptional gene silencing, which includes genomic imprinting, paramutation, transposon silencing, and RNA-directed DNA methylation. Second type of gene silencing is the post-transcriptional, which involves RNA interference, RNA silencing, and nonsense mediated decay. The third kind of gene silencing is the meiotic gene silencing, which involves transvection and meiotic silencing of unpaired DNA. Transcriptional gene silencing. First is the genomic imprinting. Genomic imprinting is an epigenetic process by which certain genes are expressed in the parent of origin specific manner. Example, if allele from father is imprinted, it is silenced and hence allele from mother is expressed and vice versa. Genomic imprinting involves DNA methylation and histone methylation without altering the genetic sequence. The process is independent of Mendelian inheritance. Paramutation is an interaction between two alleles at a single locus. One allele causes heritable changes in another allele. Changes may be DNA methylation or histone modification, which causes gene silencing. Paramutagenic is the allele which induces the change, and paramutable is the allele which has been changed, or that is which has an altered level of gene expression. Then transposon silencing is a method of gene silencing which targets the transposons. Transcriptional silencing is crucial to maintenance of genome. It is important to stop transposon mutation from developing and being passed on to the next generation. Small interfering RNA are responsible for transposon silencing. RNA-directed DNA methylation, which is called RDDM. This RNA-directed DNA methylation was first discovered in plants. During this process, the double-stranded RNA are processed to 21 to 24 nucleotide small interfering RNAs, and they guide the methylation of homologous DNA loci. The double-stranded RNA may be generated by different processes, including viral replication intermediates, products of endogenous RNA-directed RNA polymerases, transcribed inverted repeats, transposable elements. Proteins involved in RNA-directed DNA methylation include DNA methyltransferase, chromatin remodeling complexes, plant-specific polymerase 4 and polymerase 5. The proteins which are involved in RNA-directed DNA methylation act to add a methyl group at the 5' position of cytosines. Next type of gene silencing, the post-transcriptional gene silencing. First is the RNA interference. RNA interference is a process in which the RNA molecules inhibit gene expression or translation by neutralizing the target mRNA molecules. RNA interference are also called co-suppression, post-transcriptional gene silencing (PTGS), and quelling. MicroRNAs and small interfering RNAs are central to RNA interference. These RNA interference has an important role in defending cell against parasitic nucleotide sequences, viruses and transposons. And it is known for its precise, efficient and stable for gene expression. RNA interference is a valuable research tool because synthetic double-stranded RNA introduced into cell can selectively and robustly induce suppression of specific genes of interest. RNA interference is an RNA-dependent gene silencing process. It is controlled by RNA-induced silencing complex RISC and is initiated by short double-stranded RNA in a cell cytoplasm. This double-stranded RNA interacts with the RNA-induced silencing complex in the cell's cytoplasm. If the double-stranded RNA is exogenous, it is imported directly into the cytoplasm and cleaved to short fragments of by the dicer. If the double-stranded RNA is endogenous, as in pre-microRNA, it is first processed to form characteristic stem loop structure of pre-miRNA in nucleus, and then it is exported to the cytoplasm. Then RNA silencing. Gene silencing effects by which gene expression is negatively regulated by non-coding RNA like miRNA is called RNA silencing. It may be defined as sequence-specific regulation of gene expression triggered by the double-stranded RNA. RNA silencing mechanisms are highly conserved in most eukaryotes. The endogenously expressed miRNA and exogenously expressed siRNA induce degradation of complementary messenger RNA. Other classes of RNA have been identified, which is piRNA, PV interacting RNA, and RASI RNA, repeat associated small interfering RNA. Nonsense mediated decay. Nonsense mutation code for a stop codon, and nonsense mutation converts an amino acid into a premature stop codon, which causes the protein to be shortened. It has a possibility to not only limit the translation of abnormal protein, but it can occasionally cause detrimental effects in specific genetic mutation. Main function of nonsense mediated decay is to reduce errors in gene expression by eliminating mRNA transcripts that contain premature stop codons. Meiotic gene silencing transvection. It is epigenetic phenomena which results from interaction between an allele on one chromosome and a corresponding allele on a homologous chromosome. It can lead to gene activation or gene expression, can occur between non-allelic regions of genome as well as regions of genome that aren't transcribed, and the transvection is dependent on chromosome pairing.